And you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the part 2 of Gifts of Nature, Unit 2, Grade 3, One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Learning the sounds. Long and short vowel sounds. Notice the difference in the sounds of these words and practice. Examples: hit, heat, cat, card. Hat, hard. Now, hat has a short vowel sound and hard has a long vowel sound. Can you see the difference? Bed, B. Bed has a short vowel sound and B has a long vowel sound. I. Ink. Ink has a short vowel sound. Ice. Ice has a long vowel sound. Ice has a long vowel sound. O. Box. It has a short vowel sound. Boat. It has a long vowel sound. Cut has a short vowel sound and cute has a long vowel sound. Now practice the above given vowel words in groups. You can practice them with your siblings. Intonation. Intonation is the rise and fall of voice while speaking. Yes or no answers give rise to intonation. Importance given to a syllable or word is called stress. It helps us to create rhythm of speech. Practice the given lines. Can you swim? Can you is pronounced in a same rhythm or voice, and when we say swim, it changes. Can you swim? Do you work? Are you a student? Is she happy? Sight words. Learn to speak the given words fluently. Golden, shine, earth, good, buy. Discussion. Given below is an advertisement of color pencils. Note the colors and the messages written on it. Now it says here that the color pencils are 100% original. They can be sharpened easily. It has a quality lead and smooth coloring. It has 36 color pencils. You may focus on the following points. The colors of the advertisement. It has many colors. It is colorful. Types or colors of pencils. There are color pencils of 36. Action of the children. What are the children doing? The children are playing with the balloon. Phonics. Long and short vowels. Pronounce the vowels given under. Bell, red, heat, fell, seat, bin, sit, lid, kite, bike. Now bell has a short vowel sound. Red has a short vowel sound. Heat has a long vowel sound. Fell also has a short vowel sound. Seat has a long vowel sound. Bin has a short vowel sound. Sit and lid also have short vowel sounds. Kite and bike have long vowel sounds. A vowel is short if it gives only half voice, for example, apple, elephant. A vowel is long if it gives full voice, for example, announce, equal. So that is it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications, and also like our Facebook page Compare Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.